dangerous energy field exists in the planet's stratosphere. Signal location uploaded to PDA. Integrating new PDA data. Self-scan complete. Bacterial infection in your system is progressing. Detecting skin irritation and immune system response. Further data required to identify bacterial strain. Region is now mapped. Warning, oxygen 10%. Please observe safety protocol CSP-21 before handling classified cargo. Caution. Continued degradation of the Aurora. Drive caution. May result in unwanted detonation. Continuing to monitor. New objectives added. New blueprint acquired. New technology created. Performing self-scan. Vital signs normal. No remaining sign of bacterial infection. Region mapped. Oxygen 50%. Picking up orbital threats. 1 signature of training vessel Sunbeam. Vessel is approaching planet surface. Initiating surface scanning procedures. Detecting massive power surge from anomalous contact. Energy discharge detected. Vessel signature lost. Data pertaining to the bacteria is being downloaded. Caution. Detecting atypical fluctuations in blood plasma proteins. A self-scan is strongly advised. Neptune 1 rocket online. Self-scan complete. Bacterial infection is spread to the skin and pulmonary system. Medical report recorded to detect. It is imperative you find a way to neutralize the infection. RAWS shifting instructions Appendix C14. Don't climb on or get off but requires new oxygen 25%. New technology acquired. Warning. Local radiation readings suggest the Aurora's drive core is in critical state. Quantum detonation will occur within 2 hours. New creature discovered. Detecting increased local radiation levels. Trend is consistent with damage to the Aurora's drive core sustained during planet fall. Open your PDA to see your current goals. Vital signs stabilizing. Detecting increased foreign bacteria levels in the water. Performing a self-scan is advised. Attention. Detecting increased local radiation levels. Trend is consistent with ongoing degradation of the Aurora's dark matter drive core due to damage sustained during collision. Continuing to monitor. Caution. 30 seconds of oxygen remaining.